Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm doing another skincare review video, only this time it's on a Western skincare product that I just realized I never review Western products for some reason. So I've actually been using this specific product for quite a while now, and I was like, you know what, I really should just sit down and review it with you guys. So you've probably already heard about the Garnier Skinactive Cleansing Water, Micellar Water before. It's been around for maybe a couple years now, I want to say, but this is the first time I've used it, just because if I was going to use a cleansing water before, if I was going to buy one, I always went with Bioderma for sensitive skin, but I never went with any other more drugstore affordable cleansing water lines, just because I have a lot of trust issues with drugstore North American brands. The last time I honestly purchased or used any kind of drugstore North American skincare brand that was more affordable was back in high school, or like the 1 year after high school, when my skin was having a lot of acne problems, and all they ever did back in the day when I had acne was aggravate my skin, make my acne worse, and really dry out my skin. So I've always been really skeptical since then to use North American drugstore brands, but I feel like over the past, I want to say 3 years, the drugstore brands in North America have really started to adopt a lot of Korean skincare formulas and techniques and methods and types of products. And I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I've been wanting to try this for a couple years now as well, but I always stuck with Bioderma, and I had other options that I wanted to use up before I went out and bought more skincare. So I finally needed a micellar water, and I had nothing on hand, so I figured I would pick up something small and convenient, and the Garnier Skinactive Micellar Cleansing Water was right up my alley. And of course I did get the one for sensitive skin. As you may already know, I have very, very sensitive skin. And if you're new to my channel and you don't already know, hi, my name's Bronwyn. I have a very sensitive, dry combination, acne-prone skin. So it's hard finding products that work for me without either breaking me out, causing me irritation, or really drying out my skin. I need products that are really gonna do a lot for me. So on to the review. The one thing that really sold me on this micellar water was the ingredients list on the back. It's really, really minimal. It's not over the top. It doesn't contain a ton of stuff that could possibly irritate the skin, which I liked. Plus, on top of that, it has no fragrance or perfume in it, which is another big selling point for me, as perfumes and skincare and makeup really irritate my skin. It's always like a 50-50 chance. Either it's going to completely make my skin irritated and break out, or it's not going to do anything at all. So it's usually a hit and miss for me. Then after that, what really sold me on it was the convenient size packaging and the price point, especially in comparison to the Bioderma sensitive skin micellar water. This one is really on the affordable range. I think here in Australia I spent $6 on this travel size, but I think you can get it a little bit more affordable in North America as well. Plus, I really like the fact that it said it would remove my makeup, even though I was a little bit skeptical about that, because I always double cleanse to remove my makeup. I always go in with a cleansing oil first to break down the makeup and lift it out of the pores and rinse it away. Then after, I'll go in with a foam cleanser just to make sure all that makeup is completely gone. Basically, I was using this to remove any water-based mascara I had on my eyes, just for the eyelash extensions, so it could come out without ripping out my eyelash extensions, and it did a really great job on that. Then aside from that, I also started using this every morning to cleanse my face, because since my skin is dry and sensitive, when I wake up in the morning, doing a full foam cleansing method in the morning can sometimes be way too drying for my skin and can make my skin really, really dry. And recently my skin just does not like being cleansed in the morning. So instead I go in with a cotton pad, and I use this in the morning to kind of refresh my skin and wipe off any oils that accumulated while I slept, and then to also wipe off the excess skincare on my face from the night before. And it's been perfect for that. it literally is everything that my skin needs. It makes it fresh, and it still keeps a little bit of the nutrition in my skin, so it's not super dry and tight after I do that. Then literally all I do is put on the rest of my skincare, which is really, really minimal because it currently is summer in Australia, even though for you guys in North America it's winter. In Australia, since we're on the other side of the planet and the hemisphere, it's currently summertime, so I don't need a lot of skincare to make my skin healthy and happy. And just using this in the morning has been the perfect cleansing routine for me right now. Overall, in my experience, I had no irritation while I was using this, and I also didn't get any breakouts, which honestly surprised me because the one thing I don't like about this product is that it feels like it leaves a film almost over the skin. Like it almost feels like it leaves a soapy layer. So if you use a cotton pad and wipe it over your skin, if you go in with your fingers and kind of touch your face after, you can feel like a soapiness on it almost, but then at the same time it's not drying. It's really interesting, but I don't really like that concept. I feel like it's leaving way too much product on my skin than I would like it to, especially in comparison to other micellar waters I've used in the past. I feel like this one leaves a film over the skin, that's for sure. And I'm not really a big fan of that, as it's a little bit, I don't know, like I don't want a layer of like film on my skin. But going into that, it's not really an oily layer. It's not anything that is that noticeable unless you go in with your finger. So for example, when I go and rub my fingers over my face after using the micellar water with a cotton pad, it will like bubble up. So like imagine when you like wash your body with soap and it bubbles up when you rub your skin. That's kind of what happens with me when I touch my face right when the micellar water's on it. So I'm not really a fan of that, but it hasn't done anything negative for my skin as of yet, so I guess it's okay. Let me know in the comments section down below if you guys have experienced the same thing, if you have tried out this micellar water, or if you've tried the other formulas. Let me know what you think. Would I buy it again? Absolutely yes. The price point is so reasonable. It makes it really desirable to want to buy it again and always have it on hand, especially with the fact that it didn't break me out or cause me irritation or overly dry out my skin. It's a serious selling point for me. I have to say, I'm really impressed. For a Garnier product, this blew my mind. I'm so happy with it. The soapy, like even when I shake it, look how bubbly it is. Why is it so bubbly like that? Like I've never seen a different micellar water do that. It's rather interesting. But anyway, it works, so I'm happy, and it makes my skin happy. Anyways, like I said before, you guys let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried it before and what you think. And also a thumbs up this video if it helped you out. And subscribe if you're not already subscribed to see skincare review videos, makeup tutorials, hair care videos, and all that jazz. And I will see you guys next time. Oh, and before I go, if you want to find out how to get this makeup look that I have on in this video, then you can subscribe to see that. Or if it's already uploaded, you can find it in the cards above. It will be linked there so you guys can see how to get this look that I have on today. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!